Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Audi A3 2.0 T Quattro Premium. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a six-speed double-clutch transmission. This Audi has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and heated front seats.